Hi, in this question, we are going to make W the subject of the equation here. Alright, so what does that mean? That means eventually we want to make this expression, okay, uh, such that it looks like W equals to something. Alright, now we have W here in the denominator. So what we can do is, since the left hand side is actually a fraction, okay, which is the y over 1, we can do a cross multiplication. So what we will have after we cross multiply, we have y w minus 4n equals to 3n minus 2y. All right. Just to quickly recap, in order for us to cross multiply, we must make sure we have a fraction on the left hand side equals to another fraction on the right hand side. Then I can cross multiply. So I will get a d equals to b c. Alright, so in this case, one fraction and one fraction here. So that is why I'm able to cross multiply. Once I cross multiply over here, I can see that y is multiplied by this whole bracket. Alright, so I can divide by y on both sides. So this side divided by y, this side divided by y. So what I will get is, okay, I'll get w minus 4n equals to 3n over y minus 2y over y. Alright, so this y and y can cancel off. Alright, so what I'll have is 3n over y minus 2. Okay, and then I have my minus 4n over here, so I can bring over the minus 4n. So I have w equals to 4n plus 3n over y minus 2. Okay, so that is basically my answer for this question here.